Catch the right bus. Solve to get the bus number on each card. Match the card with the bus number and see who will sit in which bus. Now, here, what we have to do, we have to solve the cards. Some of the cards we have got. Now, some of the cards we have got. Now, what we have to do, we have to add or subtract numbers to get these bus numbers. Okay, so now, as you can see in this card, 48 and 19 is written. 48 and 19. Now, the sign, which sign it is? This is the sign of addition. So, here we have to add these two numbers. Okay. When we will add these two numbers, we will get one of these numbers. Okay. Either it be 49, 75 or 67. So let's add these numbers to get our bus number. So first is 8, 48 and 19. We have to add 48 and 19. So 9 plus 8, 9 in your mind, 8 in your finger. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. So here we have to write 17. 7 here and 1 will be carry. 4, 5, 6. So answer is 67. Yes, this is our bus. Okay. Now next number, this boy is having this card where number is 88 and 21. Now what we have to do, as you can see, this is the sign of subtraction. We will subtract these two numbers, 88 minus 21. 8 minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 5, 6, 7. So answer will be 7. Now 8 minus 2. 2 in your mind, you will count till 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 6. So here the answer will be 67. Again, this bus. Now this girl, she has got this card where number is 47 and 28. So as you can see, this is the sign of addition. As you can see, this is the sign of addition. So we will add these two numbers, 47 and 28. So 8 in your mind, 7 in your fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 here, carry will be here. 4 plus 2 is 4, 5, 6. 6 and 1 is carry. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So here you will write 75. Now let's see. Yes, this is our bus. This is the bus of this girl. This girl will sit in this bus. Now next number is, this boy is having card number 93 minus 18. So what we have to do, as you can see, this is the sign of subtraction. So we will do subtraction. To do, as you can see, this is the sign of subtraction. So here we will do subtraction. So 93 minus 18. So if we will start from ones digit number, as you can see, 3 minus 8. So if you are having 3 chocolates, you are not able to give 8 to someone. So you will borrow. If you will borrow 1 from here, it will be 13. Now 13 minus 8. 8 in your mind and you have to count till 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Answer is 5. So here we will write 5. 1 he has given to him. Now how much is left? Only 8. So 8 minus 1 is, what comes before 8? 7. So here we will write 75. Now let's see 75 bus number. Yes, this is the bus of 5. Now next, card number 37 plus 12. 37 plus 12. So here what we would, so as you can see, this is the sign of addition. So here we will do addition. 37 plus 12. So first we will start from one digit number, 7 plus 2. 7 in your mind, 2 in your finger, 7, 8, 9. So here we will write 9. Now next is 3 plus 1. Next is 3 plus 1. What comes after 3? 4. So here we will write 49. So let's see 49 bus number. Yes, this is the bus number of 49. Next is 38 plus 37. Card number 38 plus 37. So 8 plus 7, as you can see, this is the sign of addition. Here we will do addition. 8 plus 7. 8 in your mind, 7 in your finger. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15, 5 will be right here and 1 will be carry. 3 plus 3, 6. And 6 plus 1, 7. So answer is 75. Now let's see 75. Yes, this is the bus number of 75. Now let's see. This boy is having card. This boy's card number is 25 plus 24. Again we will do subtract. Again we will do addition. 5 plus 4. 5 in your mind, 4 in your finger. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we will write 9. So here we will write 9. 9 and 2 plus 2, 2 2s are 2 2s are 4. So here we will write 4. Answer is 49. Now let's see 49. Yes. Now this question you will do it yourself. So here what you have to do, card number is 99 minus 32. So what you have to do, you have to subtract. As you can see, this is the sign of subtraction. So you will subtract these two numbers. 99 minus 32. First you will subtract these two numbers. Then you will subtract these two. First you will subtract ones. Then you will subtract tens. Now you write your own numbers, make two different cards for each bus. Now as you have seen that 3 buses are there. Bus number is 75, 49 and 67. Now what you have to do, you have to write two numbers which will make 75. You will write two numbers which you will add and you will get 20. You will get 75. Okay, the answer should be 75. Whatever number you will write, if you will add those numbers, your answer should be 75. For example, 45 plus 32. 40 plus, for example, 45 plus 32. Your answer will be 75. Same, you can write any two numbers which will make these answers. Okay, your answer should be these. If subtraction sign is there, you will write the numbers which you will subtract and you will get this number. Okay, so make sure your answer should be this. Whatever numbers you will write, your answer should be this. Okay, whether it is subtraction or addition, you will see the sign. If addition is there, you will write two numbers which will make this 75. If subtraction is there, you will write two numbers which you will subtract and you will make 49. You will write two numbers which you will subtract and you will get 49. Here you have to write two numbers, any two numbers which you will subtract and you will get 67. Next, you will write two numbers and you will add those numbers and you will get 67. So this type So in this way you will solve this. Now let's see this. Chakachak Toli. Chakachak is in Chakachak in Hindi means clean and shining. Chakachak Toli is the name of group of children who work to clean their park. Now there some of the students they made a group and named them Chakachak Toli, in which their work is to clean their park wherever they play. So Shreya collects the money and writes it in her diary. Helps Shreya to find how much money is left at the end of the month. Now Shreya is a girl who collected all the money and she spent money on the things which help them in their work. So she collected money on October 3rd, she collected 60 rupees. October 7th, she bought a broom for 18 rupees. October 12th, bought a phenol bottle for 25 rupees. October 25, collected 27 rupees from the cards we made. Now we have to tell the total amount. So your total amount is 18. She collected 60 rupees. Then she bought broom, then phenol, collected 27 from the cards we made. Means first we will write the money which she has collected. So collected money is 60 plus 27. Collected means इकट्ठा करना कि उसने कितनी मनी अभी तक इकट्ठा की है. So here collected money is 60 and 27. So here we will add 60 plus 27. So 0 plus 7 is 7 and 6 plus 2 is 8. So the answer is 87. 87 rupees she has collected. Now total money spent. So total money spent is 18 and 25. 18 rupees broom and 25 rupees phenol bottle. So total money spent 18 plus 25. Okay. So 18 का उन्होंने broom खरीदा है and 25 phenol bottle. So we will add 25 plus 18. 25 plus 18. Answer will be 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5, 13. 8 plus 5, 13. 3 here, 1 will be carried. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So answer is 43. Total money spent 43. Next is money left at the end of October. Now what we will do, whatever money we have got, okay, so whatever total money we have collected, so here what we will do, we will subtract these two numbers so that we will get the money left with us in the month of October. So total money, 7 minus 3, 4, and 8 minus 4, 4. So money left with us, how much money is left? 44. Only 44 rupees are left in the month of October. Children of Chakachak Toli collected this number of trees in the park. Now, children of Chakachak Toli, they have collected some trees in a park. Now, this type of tree, they have collected 90. Know about this? By subtracting these two numbers. This tree, how much? 90. The number of trees, 90. And this tree, 82. So what we will do, we will subtract 90 minus 82. 90 minus 82, answer will be
8 number.